Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little video on Shop Official B's new clothing. So if you don't know who Shop Official B is, I'll be adding their @ right here as well as the link below. And I do have a discount code with them. It is muaerika. But first they had started off by selling shoes. Then they added accessories, which were bags, belts, rings, jewelry, just things like that, which are all accessories. And now they have added clothing. So I do want to thank Saul and Bree because they both did give me these. I did not purchase them, and I don't want to come on here and be like, oh, I bought this all myself, because I did not. They did give me them, so thank you to them. I did already see this, and I know I labeled this unboxing, but I was like, I don't know what to call this video. So I was like, it's gonna be an unboxing because I'm gonna show you guys it. And it's all in the little packs right now, but I did already see it in person. I did try some of them on and it fit me amazing. So I was like, you know what? This deserves me to show a little video. That way if you guys, you're like, maybe I wanna buy that, but I don't know if it's really gonna fit me. At least I can give you a perspective on it. But I'll be adding right here Shop Official B's pictures with Kat, the model, so that way you guys can see what it looks like. And I'll basically describe to you guys how it was on myself. You know, maybe you guys are like, girl, I want to see it, but I'm like, I don't look that cute. Or maybe, you know what, maybe I will be adding it. I probably will. I always end up changing my mind. But regardless, I'll be adding it with the model right here. So the first thing I want to show you guys is, this is a dress. I'll be telling you guys what the name is right here. I mean, I'll be putting right here, and then I'll be putting the picture here, because I'm not sure what the name of it is. Let me open it. So what this is, it's kind of like a long sleeve mini dress, but I would recommend to wear this with some biker shorts. So I plan on wearing this with a bodysuit and biker shorts underneath. So like I said, I'll be inserting the photo, but this is what it looks like, and it has a belt. Like I said, I'll probably just be putting all this on and then showing you guys like a little video of what it looks like on myself. That way you guys get to see it on the model and on myself, because I'm not like super skinny. I'm a size medium and I'm pretty wide. After I had my daughter, I got wider than what I usually was, because before I was like, I had like a niña's body. You guys know what I'm talking about? Once you become a mom, your body changes. My body did change. I got wide. So before I had, you know, the body of a teenager. Now I don't. So this is so cute with a bodysuit and biker shorts. And I say biker shorts because it's kind of short. So sis, you move the wrong way, this thing's gonna show your cooch, and you don't want to be showing your cooch. So I would recommend you wear this with some biker shorts and a bodysuit. So on the model, they actually modeled it with this and the bodysuit. But like I said, because I did try this on, I would recommend wearing some biker shorts. So like I said, I will be putting all this on, that way you guys can see it, because I'm like, this is kind of a whack video if I don't try it on. But the material of it is very nice. It's not bad. So I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, she's just doing this video because they gave it to her for free or because she makes some type of money off of them. No, I'm not that type of person, and I'll never try to push something on you or be like, go get this, if I'm not genuinely trying to recommend something to you. So don't even feel some type of way, because this is a genuine review. Now this next dress, when I saw it, oh my god, I was like, I didn't even see it like in person. Like, oh, I saw it in person after, but when I saw it online, I was like, bro, I need that. That is me. I need it. If you guys know me, you know I love browns and nudes. So this is kind of like a, I want to say copper color. Let me show it to you guys. So this is what it looks like. And it has like the strappy back, but then the front will be like this. So you guys see how it kind of goes down right here. Ooh, I might as well open it like that. That is what it looks like. Material again is so nice. Like, it's honestly not cheap material. So don't think like, oh my god, they're gonna be selling cheap stuff. No, it's actually, I know Brie and Saul, and I know they won't be bringing in stuff that's, you know, oh, let's just make a bunch of profit and give them like cheap material. No, I can tell that they take their time picking out the items. But this is so cute. I don't know, I wore a similar dress to this. I'll be putting that photo here too, that way you guys can see that I've actually worn something similar to this, and that is why I wanted another one, because I was like, yo, that dress was hella comfortable and cute. But I'll also be putting the link to that other dress that I'm telling you guys about. But that one was so cute and comfortable, and I was like, I need something else, because I was out, I was living my best life, and I was comfortable in the dress. Do you guys know what I mean to be comfortable in a dress? Something that looks cute, that is sexy, because that other green one, you can pull it up. This one you can't pull up, but it's already scrunched up. Oh, I have it upside down. It's already scrunched up for you, so it's really similar to it. And I like that you can be sexy, cute, and comfortable. And who else, not who else, who doesn't want to be all those things? This next thing, oh my god, guys, these are some sparkly pants. When I saw them, I was like, I need those are me, need them today. They actually stretch. So you guys ever see some pants online and you're like, I don't know if that's gonna stretch when I wear it? So everything I got is in a size medium. Like I said, my body is wide. I'm wide, but I want to say I'm thick slim, because I'm not like thick. I'm thick, but I'm pretty slim for my body. Like I do go work out all the time. My arms are toned. You know, got a little six pack going. Legs are definitely toned, so I would say I'm pretty slim thick. Like I said, after I had my daughter, I got wide. But oh my god, guys, look at these. They're so freaking cute. So I wore something like this senior year of high school. If I can find the picture, I'll put it here for you guys. It was a dress, but it was like of this material. I wore it when I was homecoming princess, and I was like, oh my god, I love that dress. I was so happy my mom bought it for me. And when I saw this, like brought back memories, and I was like, that is cute. So I'll be, like I said, I'll be adding the video and the picture on the side. But these are it, and they stretch. Like, girl, you want to wear these. I got them in a medium because I know I'm a medium. I'm not even gonna try to throw on a small because that's not gonna fit. But they stretch, like the whole thing stretches. So if you get these, you can wear them and know that they're gonna be true to size. Everything, like I said, is a medium, so everything was true to size to my body, and I'm a medium. Now, this last item is a two-piece set, which is so fucking cute. If you guys saw one of my recent posts, I'll be putting it right here, not for the post, but for the caption. I actually said I used to hate snake print, or print in general, and clearly now I'm always wearing print, especially snake. So I used to not really like snake print, but this is cute. Is this even snake print? I want to say it is, and if it isn't, I'm sorry, but I used to never really like print. Now the only one I'm probably still not gonna ever wear is cheetah print. As of right now, I still have not seen anything that catches my eye. But if you guys haven't noticed, I actually don't like print at all. I don't like wearing plaid. I don't like wearing like anything with print. I like to wear cute stuff that is like plain and simple, and like not even plain and simple, but I wear like two pieces, like different stuff. Just I don't like print. That's me. If you're like me, shout out to you. And if you're not, shout out to you too. Only because I feel like I'm not the best stylist, so I usually stay away from print. However, this is the top. So fucking cute. So I love this. And your boobs, they gonna look right and tight on this. When I wore it, I was like, oh, hell yes. I'm sorry, guys. I paid a lot of money for my boobs, so I'm gonna be showing them because I love them and they cost me a good penny. So excuse me for, you know, being dramatic, but it makes the girls look good. And then this is the skirt. The skirt, if I'm correct, yeah, it does stretch. And I was like, wait, let me think about it. Does it stretch? Does it stretch? Does it stretch? Yes, it does. So this is the bottom, and then this is the top. So everything was so fucking cute. I was just like, yes, 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 yes. And when I was looking at all their new arrivals, these were the 4 things I picked out because they told me to pick out what I wanted, and these were it. And that is basically what this video was about, just to show you guys their new clothing. And you guys can even see it in the material. Like, look at how good this material is. And like I said, I'll never be sponsoring something I don't truly believe in, or just because I got paid. I didn't get paid for this, but you guys get the point, right? So I hope you guys get to try out some of their new clothing. Obviously, you guys know I have shoes and shoes from them. I love all the shoes that they have. And with that being said, don't forget to use my discount code, sis. I'll be putting it right here, MUA Erika, and you can save some money. And we all love to save some money. We all love to save some money, right? Right. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm over here like so happy, like that I got all these clothes. I'm like, bro, I can't even speak. But if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. I'll be putting it right here. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to do all that, sis, because I'll remind you. Leave a comment. Let me know, have you guys tried out their clothes? Have you tried out their shoes? And if you have, do you like them? I actually have a video. I'll be adding it at the end of this. That way you guys can check it out if you would like. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.